the back half is apart. Here you can see that there's sludge blocking this passage to feed the main bearing. This half doesn't have a passage, so this piece of sludge is completely blocking this one. Completely blocking, and if it falls, it will go to the oil hole. This side as well. Oil goes into the oil hole. The big end feeds from this ring. This ring as well has sludge gummed up. This main bearing is very stiff, very stiff. That's why the engine is stiff to turn. There you can see that there was no place for oil. To stay and enter into that hole to reach the big end. This bearing is so stiff that I can lift the crank rather than the other side. It fell on its own. And I can feel behind this that it's all filled. On the back side it's shaped like this, like a J, so oil will be running down like a stream to this side, and that small bit for the other side. It will turn up pretty good. Thanks for watching. Just removed the screws of this plate. Look. The oil can't flow. With all that sludge.